Hey guys, what's up? This is Fruit Punch. Yeah. Alright. Is my clan. Okay, so first things first, I just got back from a dirt biking race. So I'll show you my dirt bike if you want to see it real fast. Really fast. So where is it? Oh yeah, I put it in the front. Yeah, it'll be right there. That's it. So I just got back from a race. If you can see, all the track is all over there. I don't know if you can see that, but all the track is over there. It's really nice. My brother's driving over there, playing with my dad, and yeah. Oh, I'm really tired. I just came in my race. I came in. I'm just waiting to go home because I'm not riding anymore today. So in my race, I came in 4th place. Pretty good, but I was racing at Rocky Glen, so it's not really a racing track. It's not meant to race, but you can race there. It's really nice. They just watered it, so everyone's like falling and slipping. But yeah, peace out. When I get home, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Maybe get some ghost clips, BO2, MW2, MW2. I don't even know. Yeah. No, don't. You guys say World at War? I will fucking wreck. I will wreck ass, dude. I'm fucking pro at World at War. Okay, so yeah. See ya guys later. Peace out. Subscribe. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe to I Wreck Fruit Punch, as in me. I Wreck Legend, as in Cameron. And I Wreck Pug, as in Andrew. So subscribe to all of them. And yeah, basically peace out. I'm gonna begin intro and outro soon. So yeah, to wrap it all up. So peace out. See you later. And